What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to remove exclusions for Windows Defender in Windows 11. First of all, what is Windows Defender file exclusion? So this is a settings that tell Windows Defender Antivirus to skip files, folders, file types or processes during security scan. So if you have an application where you don't want Windows Defender to scan, you can add it to the file exclusion. So first of all, let's get into it. So come to your search and type Windows Security over here. Now click on it. Now when you click on it, just click on this three bar on the top left corner. Just click on this three bar on the top left corner. Come to threat and protection. Now you scroll down, come to virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage. Now scroll down again, come to exclusions. So just add. So afterwards, just click on add exclusions. You can just choose a file. You can just go through your computer. Any file you don't want Windows to scan, you can just click on this and add it to it. And that's all. So Windows will skip these files when scanning your computer. And also, if you want to remove it, you can just click on the drop down and click on remove. And that's all. So yeah, if you find this video helpful, just kindly like, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of these videos. Bye.